Ngayon para naman sa mga boss natin, ang mga fashionista, ito ang matututukan natin ngayong umaga ay high fashion. Yan ang tututukan natin sa One Life.
Good morning mga boss, good morning fashionistas. Ngayong umaga may pinuntahan tayong isang press launch ng isang model search. Halika at samahan niyo akong kilalanin kung sino-sino sila. Sir, can you tell us something about Body Shots?
Well, Body Shot is mainly a competition for aspiring male and female models.
Ano po yung mga preparations na ginawa ninyo for your Body Shots competition?
Well, it took us barely 3 months for these preparations para sa screening, tapos grooming ng mga models, tapos making them look real models.
We're the Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines. High fashion ang ilalabas namin for the show. Young, energetic, colorful. It's the brainchild of the fashion industry. We produce a lot of top actors, actresses.
Invite our viewers na lang po. Kailan po ba yung main event?
Akala ng marami na it's a bodybuilding contest, but it's not. It's a modeling contest, so it's how you carry the clothes, it's how you project. It's more on the attitude. Kailangan professional ka sa model. We look for the face, the height, and the body, plus the attitude and the X factor. All clothes will be provided by the Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines, and some of the casual clothes are by Lee Cooper.
My preparation is everyday going gym and then proper diet and then self-discipline.
Sumali po ako dito dahil gusto ko po ma-build up yung confidence ko at saka at the same time gusto ko din po ma-expose and make my parents proud.
Ayan mga boss, nakita na natin ang mga nagseseksihan at mga fashionistang kandidatang ito. Ayan mga boss, basta fashion, I always have something new for you. Ito po ulit si Carla Padorna for One Life.